from the America style. I'm nicer than my wife. I'm nicer than the pussy wife. Yeah. So the boy don't want to give me the visa. But what about him? Get up and go cook and go drink out. But hold on, hold on. Sound like Dollyresha. Dollyresha come in, man. Evelyn Fisher. Evelyn. Now sit down. Yeah, man, sit down now. Sit down, of course. Sit down, man. Alright, thanks. Lord Jesus, what embarrassment to the man one cast by my man. I only hope Michelle no ear. The man have me on the line all morning and don't give me the visa. Look, come answer my question, them good. But I must book him. Where you come from just so? Where the embassy me I come from? Go deal with this blue hair boy. Right now to I'm upset. Me ignorant. Ignorant for the boy, for the blue hair boy, yeah. But them having at the place, say them interview me. Ignorant for him. Right now I want a glass of beverage, or a glass of syrup, or even something strong to cool down my structure. Before me give you the saga. Yeah man, me supposed to have syrup in the fridge down there. Me I come. See the syrup. Thanks. So Michelle, you don't have any glass here, yeah? I don't like plastic cup, you know. You don't like plastic cup, but you want me thirsty, I'm going to drink it. But you could have given me that out of the glass. You look like your mother never did tell you so when stranger come to your yard, always give them out of glass. But thanks for the syrup. All this just make me double vex right now. This look like you stay away down at Japan and throw the syrup in the cup. Out fresh, sir. I see them syrup me a drink and they don't fresh. You know fresh. So we are quarrel about plastic boats. Your mother never tell us say enough to carry belly got people yard. Just drink a little syrup. You don't have to drink nothing sweet. Drink a little syrup. So I'm not like people play sometimes go beg them nothing, you know. Cause why she have them out of the plastic cup. What you say happened to you now, Dollyresha? Give me the story now, man. Ready? Yeah, it struck a kind of cool so I can't tell what now. After me in the embassy line so long, from about 5 o'clock in the morning till 9 o'clock, when me finally reach up to this blue hair boy now, and the boy asks me why me want to go to America. And me tell the boy, say, me want to go to America for chop bush. The boy will tell me, say, him can't give me the visa for go to America for chop bush. Tell me if him not bright. Right now I'm really upset. Upset, good girl. Upset. So Dollyresha, you really go for embassy go tell the people and boy you go chop bush. You don't know say the president for America named Bush. Oh, you tell the people and say I go chop bush. Dollyresha, you know what I always hear brown man say you can't read so well and you look like a true. Dollyresha, the president for America named Bush. With me, Michelle? Me can't tell him to me I go America go chop bush. Eh? Me can't tell him to me I go America go chop bush. Cause Bush are the president. So when since Bush become the president of America? Bush in a forest. Bush are the president of America. So why everybody else always say them I go Uncle Sam? Me always hear everybody say them I go Uncle Sam. So you want to tell me say Uncle Sam are the president of America? And Uncle Sam are the president for America? Uncle Sam. Dollyresha, don't make me laugh in here. Oh, you ever think the president named Uncle Sam? Oh, you think you present your Uncle Sam? I just want terms that they use and call America Uncle Sam or Big Apple. So all along them no know say the bush in the forest me attack. Them no know say the bush in the forest. Them think say is a man me a go chop. You know say this blue ear boy no sense. You know say blue ear boy have no sense and act like me no have no sense. I don't want this thing. I don't want this the blue ear boy there now. I don't want this thing now. Make me go back up at the embassy there. If I want to look for farm work program, you go up on Dollyresha, you know, just tell the people them say, you go up on a farm work program. What you gonna tell the people them about chop bush for? Eh? I'm not talking about bush, a bush they want chop a farm work now, or an apple they over there pick or grape. You gonna tell the people them boy you go chop bush. Dollyresha, stop cussing man. Stop cussing man, cause you go over there go talk foolishness. Yes, you go talk foolishness over there. Make me go back up at the embassy there. Make me ever go back. Hey, me I tell you this now. When me in front of the blue ear boy, I'm scared now. Me not tell lie. Me scared, me afraid of him. The boy blue remind me of post. Me say me afraid of the boy. Me afraid of the boy them. The boy them blue. Like one post so me see now one show. Yeah. The boy blue. I'm afraid of the boy. I must say that's time I don't get the visa. I'm just in front of my tremble. Or the boy I blow. Me feel like one post me I look on. Feel like one post. Me see the same post there. Me see him now movie already. But wait till I go back up there. Me and him. And then have audacity. If you come ask me if me have man. If me married. Me tell him say look here now. Me not married. Me only have a man who I take some money from. Yeah. Like this stuff. When me married, when married I go. So you tell them, say you don't have a man where you take things off. Only a man where you take things off. Dollyresha, me not lie you. You know answer a question them good. You don't answer a question them good, Dollyresha. So you could have never get the visa. Because you never answer the question them good. You don't answer the question them good, Dollyresha. That the question alone they ask you. Them ask me the next question, yes. Them ask me say, how much kid me have? And me tell the boy, I say, look here now. One of the goat that have kid. One of the goat have 2 kids last week. And the next goat have 3 kids Friday. And the next one have 2 this morning when me I leave. So I add them up about 7, 8. But 7, 8, 9. One of the number that me tell him. I'm going to jump off of that seat. Dollyresha. So we are lost of Michelle. Now them their mother kid there. Them their mother kid at the yard. I'm going to try to. I'm going to tell you now. Dollyresha. Where you gonna tell a man about goat kid fat? Where you gonna tell a man about goat kid fat, Dollyresha, if a man asks you about kids, he might ask you say how much picnic you have, how much children you have. I'm gonna get in there now. I'm gonna get in there now. Dollyresha, where you gonna tell a man about goat kid fat? Dollyresha, where you tell a man about goat kid fat? And you come here cuss man about blue hair man? Or you expect to get a visa? I gotta laugh till I cry now, you know. Then if I pick me my talk about, why I'm never just a picnic? When I talk about kids about, I go with kid alone me know. Why I never say children. The blue hair boy they want somebody jerk him. The blue hair boy they want somebody jerk him. Me must reach in my country. Me I go back up there. You know me I go back up there quick. Me I go make my niece write up back application form and send me back up there. Yeah. I like about birth certificate. I never can pronounce the name right. I look about birth certificate. Dollyresha, you really go tell a man about kid? This a part to take your cake more than anything else, Dollyresha. No, I'm serious now. Me stop laugh. Me stop laugh now. Me stop laugh. Dollyresha, you couldn't get the visa, Dollyresha. Me and your friend, but me I tell you the truth. You couldn't get the visa, Dollyresha. Not under them, yeah. Answer where you get to immigration officer. When done, you say man frighten you. Trust the man here blue. Are you frighten yourself? Can you go up there, go tie up yourself, Dollyresha? Yes, are you tie up yourself, you tie up yourself. You couldn't get the visa. You go up there, go talk one word of foolishness. You couldn't get the visa, Dollyresha. You could have never get the visa. Man, I like come laugh after my good makeup, eh? After my good makeup. I spend time by my face. I make sure my face makeup good before I go up there. I wanted that blue eye boy. His wife can look like me. His wife can look like me. Eh? I come laugh for my makeup, but my makeup too much on my face, especially my lipstick. What you say? You have too much makeup? What you say? You have too much makeup? Dollyresha, me friend, but me tell you the truth. Your lipstick look a bit too. Don't laugh, Michelle, man. You love laugh too much. Everything you laugh about. Your lipstick look a bit too much. I shadow. I don't know where you're going to lose. Dollyresha, I need to just wash off your face and go up the catch up your ear and one and go up there. And that you should I do. You know, for wear makeup when you got embassy. Dollyresha, you can't go embassy, go tie up yourself for Dollyresha. You really tie up yourself over embassy. Me I tell you the truth as a friend. You tie up yourself. You tie up yourself, Dollyresha. You gone up the talk about goat kid. You gone up the talk about your chat bush. Oh, you expect to get a visa? Dollyresha, you couldn't get it. You couldn't get the visa. Oh, me if no. Oh, me if no, say. I never Uncle Sam the president. And the man that talk about picnic. Instead of, I no kid. I don't go kid, I picnic. What you want me to say? I'm go up there to forget myself. That you say? I'm go up there to forget myself. It's a friend like Uno. It's a friend like Uno, man. You go on like me a dance. Me a dance? Eh? That me want know. Me a dance? Sorry, I'll me come make a complaint to you. Cause right now you just laugh like you are idiots. Everything you laugh at. You couldn't get the visa, Dollyresha. You couldn't get the visa. You tell yourself. You tell yourself, man. Yeah, you tell yourself. Dress like post, dress to the max. Look on my long skirt, Michelle. Look on my long skirt and the boy turn me down. Long nice skirt, my best dress I put on. Yeah, just like post. When I go up there is a bigger post, me back up in a look on girl, makeup on girl, makeup nice. The lipstick this my look a rouge, my eyeshadow, my eyebrow. I never wear no lash card. I'm say when I go embassy, you know, for over makeup, so I never overdo it. I just take time with my face, yeah. And the boy turn me down the pussy boy there. But it's all good. It's all good. Me buck him. Dollyresha, your makeup overdo. Your makeup overdo. And that year they want change. That week they want change now. You need to change that week they know, Dollyresha. If you wear go 1 week, you just up in a, you have to change that week, the man. Yes, too much eyeshadow over your eye and rouge top wear. Me I tell you the truth as a friend. You need to go on better. You couldn't get a visa. And where you go book you, white man? Where you go book him? Which part you go book him? Them the man no come out of house. Them the man no come out of house. So I don't know where you go book him. Take a look on it. Look on it. Best outfits. Eh? Just up in a long skirt. In a long skirt, you know. Just up in a long skirt. And the boy turned down. Me vex. Me vex. Bad me vex. You know. Just like post. Look how my makeup is nice. My makeup nice. My makeup very nice. You know when I laugh after. I look a rouge right after. Yeah, my makeup very nice. Yeah. And the boy turned me down the pussy boy there. But it's all good. It's all good. Me buck him. If I that you look for it, I go happen. Because them the man no come out of house. I don't know where you go buck him. Where you him go buck? Where you him go buck up? Because them the man no go dance. So where you go buck him? Dollyresha, you couldn't get the visa. Me and you are friend Dollyresha, I tell you the truth. You couldn't get the visa because you tie up yourself, Dollyresha. You tie up yourself. You go up the talk one whole heap of foolishness. First, I say you go chop bush. Then the man have access if you marry, you tell him say you know marry, but you have a man where you take money off of. Then you tell him say you have 8 or 7 kids, good kid. Dollyresha, how you did forget the visa? Oh, you didn't forget the visa. You're coming here to talk about the man. Oh, I describe the man or a man. Yeah, blue and you afraid of him. Dollyresha. And I love me laughter, you know, Dollyresha. But Dollyresha, your story them funny bad. But I feel laugh. I feel laugh, Dollyresha. Because you see what Sonia tell them. Understand, say, I trust my eye on blue like film. Trust me not have pussy eye. Trust me not have pussy eye. The boy don't give me the visa. The boy don't give me the visa. Yeah. And she was no say if I go to America, I'm gonna nice and I'm nice now. Yeah, my friend, I'm not ask you. The boy knows say any of go to America, I'm nicer than his wife. Any of go to America, my foot touch on America style, I'm nicer than his wife. I'm nicer than his pussy wife. Yeah. So the boy don't want to give me the visa. But we buck him. Yeah, we buck in the streets. Maybe buck him. Look on girl makeup or girl makeup nice. You believe everything what you say. I don't laugh, I laugh after you, my friend. I not laugh after you, but you believe everything what you say. Yeah, you couldn't get to do. You couldn't get the visa. You couldn't get the visa, Dollyresha. It's just the goddamn truth. You couldn't get the visa. Me not ask you, Michelle. Me not ask you. The boy knows that any of me reach America. Beyonce and them girl can't walk. No one near me. No name Dollyresha. Member is a reason why me name Dollyresha, no. Member good sense because I look like a Dolly. She me look like a Dolly, yeah. Yeah. She me look like a Dolly. Yeah, my friend. Yeah, but them can't stop me. Them can't stop me. They may refuse me once, but them have to give me back the next time I go up there. My name have to get it the next time. But as me say, me and the pussy boy, they have to buck. Yeah, I have to buck him. But my friend, me go go now, because guess what? Brown man promised me a money, and him say I come up at the house this evening. So me I go up there. Yeah, because you don't know your friend love money body now. When them say money, me say, oh, yeah, right, that's money, oh. Yeah, brown man is something else. Brown man find out say I feel money alone you take. No, brown man go down to the house and see me. Yeah, and thanks to the little syrup. Although it look like you still wait on China and throw the little syrup in the cup. Because me want to know that the syrup is fresh. So, and towards me, I could syrup or a beverage. Look how much champagne you have over there. So, you couldn't throw a champagne in one glass, give me, and hear me say, me under my stress. Me come in here under my stress. I saw no deal with a friend them. So, no deal with a friend them when you have fresh syrup, come give them to drink. Stop worry, I want you, man. Stop worry yourself. But look, next time when you come here, drink. Look, I want you, brother. Humble yourself, man. Yeah, you quench my thirst. Later. No, sir. No, sir. Never laugh so. Dollyresha never have to do it. Dollyresha not tie up herself up. Not tie up herself up at embassy. And then of course the man, so the man here too blow. That's why she gets scared. Me never see this yet. Me never see this from the day me born. Dollyresha, you something else. Dollyresha, you are something else. It's another story to itself. Alright, good girl. Next time.